Father's Day special. It's a Mother's Day special.
Yeah, you're right.
It's not a Father's Day day. It's a Mother's Day!
Okay. I'll get out of the way, because it's for Mother's Day.
Love you, babe.
That was good. That was delish. Are you ready?
Hi guys, it's Kirby and Emberly. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing our annual Mother's Day video.
Yay!
Without further ado, let's get into it.
So, we are going to start with Dad doing some questions.
What is your favorite color, specifically for makeup? Like when you're doing makeup, what color do you like to put on?
I like to put on rainbow colors.
I like to use orange. I like orange eyeshadow.
Just here, just like that. How's it look?
Oh, it looks great, babe.
And then we're gonna put some little on the nose, just like that.
Oh, Emberly, what is the style for summer?
Okay, so styles for summer is a little on the dry side.
What does that exactly mean?
It means how you feel and how you reject. So,
Are you saying project or reject?
Reject.
Reject. Okay. Is that good?
This part.
Okay.
It's gonna be cherry. This is gonna be a cherry one. Just gonna put it across.
Emberly, where does your inspiration come from?
I don't know. Planets.
Oh, what's your favorite planet?
Oh, the ice ones.
Which ones are the ice ones? For those of us that might not be
Uranus.
familiar with the planets.
Uranus.
Okay. Is that a nice planet?
Jupiter.
Jupiter?
Also Jupiter. It's the number 5 one. Blue is the number 5 one too.
Jupiter's the number 5 planet?
Yeah. Also Uranus.
Can we have a fact check on that?
It's the 5th planet. Dresses or pants?
We would choose
Probably dresses.
And we would choose makeup too. Because we're makeup girls. I'm gonna try a little purple here, my friend. And look at that.
Oh. Going for the Frida Kahlo look.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I was thirsty.
What are you watching right now? What TV shows do you like?
Spidey.
Spidey?
My favorite spider is Ghost, who I'm gonna be for Halloween. It washed away it. Maybe I should dry a little bit more.
Maybe.
Blue on. Just gonna put a little blue on.
Do you have any good songs lately?
Well, I have been doing some songs.
Bright eyes, every now and then I fall apart, and I need you more than ever. Are you baking?
No,
No.
I'm powdering myself.
I see.
Mom. Oh, Mom. Mom.
Emberly, do blondes have more fun?
No.
What's your favorite fruit?
All of it?
Which would you prefer, watermelon or pears?
Watermelon.
Oh, here's another one. Hot dogs or pizza?
My favorite!
Yeah, I know.
About you?
Which one would you pick, hot dogs or pizza?
Both of them.
Both of them? No, you have to pick.
Both of them. I love both of them.
Mm.
Mom! Look, Mom. Let's put some more of this blue.
Emberly,
Yes.
lip gloss or lipstick?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Really? You're a lipstick girl. Oh.
So yeah, okay. Mom, can I try some? Oh, I need to take my coat. Mom.
I'll clean them off.
Oh, that's better. Oh, a little more fan, please. Oh, yeah. Mom, can I do some on you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, just need to. I do this. There we go.
Lovely. Alright, Mommy's on mascara. We're almost done.
Oh dear. Mom. 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 Mom!
That's a good question. Emberly, are you a silly Billy or a serious William?
Silly Bill. A serious William?
You're a serious William? Suck.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
What is
You're the
your
question.
favorite restaurant right now? What restaurant are you eating
Nowhere.
Nowhere?
We're not eating at a restaurant.
But when we go out to eat, where do you like to eat?
Everywhere?
Everywhere? That's a bold-faced lie.
No, it isn't. It's
Your
not a
top,
lie.
your top 2 restaurants at the moment, restaurants, we'll use that term loosely, is Sbarro and Little Caesars.
Yes. I told you. Give me a massage. Give me a massage. Hey! Okay. Oh, Dad! I'm just gonna make you beautiful for Mother's Day. What?
Having some trouble.
Because it's too big. How do I look? I think I'm done.
Good, because I think I'm done too. Alright, so here are our finished looks. What do you guys think? What do you think, Emberly? Do you like them?
We do. That's what girl team are.
Yes. We will link some of the products that we use down in the description box below, so if you are interested in getting either of these looks, you can check all those products out on your own time. Thank you, Emberly, for being a special guest again for this year's Mother's Day video.
Thank you, because I'm a part of Mother's Day.
You are a part of Mother's Day, yes. Mother's Day, my Mother's Day could not happen or exist without you, so.
No, because we're a team.
It's true, we are a team.
We'll talk to you later. Just remember to pick any of these looks. If you want to do a rainbow one, that's okay. If you want to do this one, if you want to do this one, that's okay. It's true.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.